Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a civil engineer and I am currently working in construction company. I will be explain the concept of the construction company follow for overall work. So in this channel I can explain all the information about construction. So आज का टॉपिक है इम्पोर्टेंस पॉइंट रिलेटेड टू सिविल इंजीनियरिंग। अगर आप फ्रेशर है तो आपको ये पॉइंट कंपलसरी मालूम होने चाहिए। फर्स्ट पॉइंट है हाइट ऑफ बिल्डिंग। मिनिमम हाइट ऑफ बिल्डिंग इज़ 3.15 मीटर। हाइट ऑफ पैराफिट वॉल शुड बी 1 मीटर। हाइट ऑफ विंडो 2.1 मीटर। मिनिमम थिकनेस ऑफ स्लैब 125 mm. मिनिमम थिकनेस ऑफ लेंटल 15 सेंटीमीटर। Thickness of DPC dam proof course 2.5 cm. Maximum diameter of the bar used for lapping is 36 mm. Bars having more than this diameter are not allowed. 8. Minimum diameter of 8. Minimum diameter of bars used in slab is 8 mm. Minimum cover provided for slab 20 mm. Minimum number of bars used in square or rectangular column bar are 4. 7. Minimum number of bars used in circular column 6 bars. Maximum diameter of bars used in slab 1 by 8 multiplied by thickness of slab. Third, maximum chair spacing 1 meter. 14. Chairs minimum of 12 m diameter bars to be used. 15. Minimum diameter used for dowels bars is 12 mm. 16. Longitudinal reinforcement should not be less than 0.8% and not be more. 17. Binding wire required in steel. Binding wire required in steel reinforcement is 8 kg per metric ton. 18. Weight of one cement bag is equals to 15 kg. 19. One bag of cement is equals to 1.25 cubic feet or 0.0347 cubic meter. 20. Number of cement bags in 1 meter cube is equals to 28.8 bags. 21. Initial setting time of cement 30 minutes. 22. Final setting time of cement 10 hours or 600 minutes. 23. pH value of the water should not be less than 6.24. Riser of staircase 120 staircase should be 150 mm to 200 mm. 24. 25. Classification of bricks. First class bricks. B. Second class bricks. C. Third class bricks. D. Fourth class bricks. 26. Specific gravity of cement 3.15. 27. Tensile or flexural strength of concrete is equals to 0.7 divided by FCK. 28. Modulus of elasticity of concrete EC is equals to 5000 divided by FCK. 29. Young's modulus of steel ES is equals to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. Point number 13. Factor of safety of steel is equals to 1.15. 31. Factor of safety for concrete 1.5. Point number 32. Standard size of bricks 190 mm by 90 mm by 90 mm is equals to in centimeter 19 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter. Point number 33. A good brick clay contains 20 to 30% of alumina, 50 to 60% of silica, and remaining constituents are lime, magnesium, sodium, potassium. 34. Color of good brick is deep red, cherry, or copper colored. 35 number. Compressive strength of bricks is 3.5 Newton per mm square. 36. Maximum water absorption of first class bricks is 15% of its dry weight. 37. The excess of silica in the clay makes the brick brittle and weak. 38. Process of manufacturing of bricks consists of preparation of bricks clay, modeling bricks, drying of bricks and burning of bricks. 39. Molding of bricks may be hand molding or machine molding. The burning of dry bricks is done either in clamp or in a kiln. 41. The ingredients of ordinary cements are lime, silica, alumina, calcium, sulfate, iron oxide, magnesia, sulfur, and alkalis. 42. Ordinary Portland cement consists of 62 to 67% of lime. 43. The initial setting time of ordinary Portland cement should not be less than 30 minutes. 44. The final setting time of ordinary Portland cement should not be more than 10 hours. 45 number. Initial and final setting time of cement is determined by its apparatus. 46. 67% of lime. 43. The initial setting time of ordinary Portland cement should not be less than 30 minutes. 44. The final setting time of ordinary Portland cement should not be more than 10 hours. 45. Initial and final setting time of cement is determined by Vicat's apparatus. 46. The normal consistency of Portland cement is about 25%. 47. When concrete is to be laid under water, quick setting cement is used. 48. Maximum free fall of concrete allowed to 1.50 meter. 49. Test of fresh concrete, some test, workability test, compacting factor test, VB test. Number 15. Test on hardened concrete, rebound hammer test, and ultrasonic pulse velocity test. It is also called as a non-destructing test. These points are important to know civil engineer. So thanks for watching this video. Not subscribe this channel, go and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much.